Alright, and welcome back here on Sun Sports as we start the second period with the score Tampa Bay 1 and New Jersey nothing, as the Lightning got a big power play goal here to start the in that opening frame.
Here comes Vinny LeCavalier to Brian Gionta. Here comes Gionta. One-timer. That's blocked. Up to St. Louis. Here comes St. Louis. To Vinny LeCavalier. Fires it right on. Ahead to Zajac. Now he just gains center and dumps the puck in. And it's passed to St. Louis. Now rink wide to Pospol. Here comes Pospol. Wrap around, Roder, stop that. Gionta gets it. Here comes Patrick Elias. He passes the puck to Gionta. Now it's passed to LeCavalier. He turned the puck over. He passes it to Zajac. And he gets the puck deep. Goes behind his net. Fires it. Nice glove save by Mark Denis. Here's Richard Matvichuk. He passes the puck to Zupas. He shoots! He misses. Up to Zupas. Now a pass up to Blue. Madden dumps the puck in. From behind the net. To Craig. He'll go at him one-on-one from the blue line. Long shot. Matvichuk. To Sergei Brylin. And he carries the puck to center. To Madden. He shoots! Puck jumped on by Kuba. He passes the puck to Koneski, and he brings it to center. Now he just gets it deep. And it's passed up to Madden. Here's Philippe Kuba to Gradden. Now it's passed to Craig. One-time shot. Over center. Passed over to Langenbrunner. Here comes Langenbrunner. He shoots! Fired the puck just wide of the net. Behind the net. Quick up to Craig. Vishnevsky grabs the puck. He passes it to Pandolfo, and he carries it to center. Into the corner he goes. To Jamie Langenbrunner. Now again to Langenbrunner. Pass up to Parise. Dumped in by Vishnevsky. Now he passes the puck to Taylor. It's man against man. Shoots the puck. Jumped on by Kempa. Quickly another shot. And he hangs onto the puck for the whistle. How about that save? Well, he saw that one all the way. We're ready for the face-off. The face-off goes to the Lightning. To Nolan Price. Delayed call. Pick up to the net. Into the slot. He's getting called for cross-checking.
Paul Martin, 2 minutes for cross-checking.
Tampa has converted once already, and they're getting another power play chance here. Madden wins the draw. Picked up by St. Louis. Here comes Vinny LeCavalier. He picked it off. Madden cleared it out. To Craig. Shoots it. Walks in front of the net. Cleared out of the zone by Madden. To St. Louis. And he just gains center and dumps the puck in. To St. Louis. He has his pocket pick. St. Louis takes control of the puck. Here's Brad Richards. He passes it to Craig. We've reached the midway mark apparently, and they haven't been able to generate a whole lot of anything with a man advantage.
Jim, it looks like they're trying to make the perfect play out there. All they need to do is keep firing the puck on goal, and good things will happen.
The ref is signaling for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Lightning. Here's Vinny. Shoots quickly. Here's Vishnevsky. He cleared it down the ice. Langenbrunner dumps it. Here's Vinny Foster, who's been all around the net but can't seem to score. To Koneski. Puck cleared out by Odoya. He passes the puck to Pospol. Inside. Saved by Brodeur.
Johnny Oduya.
Jimmy's like a catalyst out there, consistently feeding forwards with breakout passes. And hey, I say he wouldn't hesitate to keep up one right. That's a power play goal.
Ryan Craig, power play goal. First goal this season.
That's where the puck is headed till it's too late.
This certainly puts them in a good position heading into third.
If this two-goal cushion holds up, they'll really be able to control the game.
Zajac dumps the puck in to Dan Boyle. Here comes Hostel. And that ends the second period. It's 2-0 as we head to the break.
Second period stats by the numbers look like this. Shots are 11-2 Tampa Bay. Second period shots were 6-2 Tampa Bay. Hits are 16-0 New Jersey. Face-offs are 12-8 Tampa Bay. Penalty minutes. New Jersey has 6 minutes. Tampa Bay has no minutes. Power play. Tampa Bay is 2 for 3 with the man advantage. New Jersey is 0 for 0 with the man advantage. Second period recap looks like this. Scoring. The Lightning took a 2-0 lead on a goal by Ryan Craig, his first of the season, on the power play from Vincent Lecavalier at 1908. Penalties. It was Paul Martin, 2 minutes for cross-checking at 14:14. Well, we'll be back for the start of the third period with the score. Tampa Bay 2 and New Jersey 0. Back with more in a moment here on Sun Sports South.